Welcome to G Hub Math class. In today's class, we'll be looking at how to translate numbers written in words in figure. On the board, we have a question which says, write in figure 56 trillion 429 billion 16 million 863,309. To be able to write this number properly in figure, we have to take a study of this place value system. You can see the place value system started from the smallest, which is unit, to trillion, hundred of trillion. So we group them in trees. This is 100 tens and unit. This is thousand, which is hundred of thousand, tens of thousand, and thousand. This is million, hundred of million, tens of million, and million. This is billion, hundred of billion, tens of billion, and billion. This is trillion, hundred of trillion, tens of trillion, and trillion. Now let's start from the first part of the question. 56 trillion. 56 trillion means 50 trillion. 50 trillion is 5 tenths of trillion. So I will put it, that's 5, under tens of trillion. And then 6 trillion, which is under this. That is 56 trillion. Another important thing we have to look at is, while writing trillion, how many zeros do we have to write in line with trillion? Let's see. 56. Now, this place will be filled with 3 zeros here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. If you add all of them, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12. So while writing trillion, you write the number with 12 zeros. So trillion goes with 12 zeros. The next section is 429 billion. Look at it. 4 under 100 of billion, 2 under tens of billion, 9 under billion. So we also have it to study the number of zeros we have to put in a trillion. This is 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, which is 9 zeros all together. The next section is 16 million. So 16 million means we don't have anything under 100 of million. Tens of million is 1, million is 6, which is 16 million. How many zeros? 3 zeros are 3 zeros, 3 plus 3, which is 6. Then, next one is 863, which is under 100 of 1,000, we have 8. Under tens of 1,000, you have 6. Under 1,000, you have 3. Then, if you're writing 1,000, you put 3 zeros there. And the last one is 309. Then, but this is not how to present this. If you want to solve this question, I'm going to teach you a simpler way to do this, which is writing each of the numbers out with the corresponding number of zeros. Let's start again. 56 trillion, which we agreed is going to be 56 with 12 zeros. Look at the 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which is 12 zeros. The next one is 429 billion. Look at it. 429 with 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next one is 16 million, which is 0, 1, 6 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next one is 863. 863 with just 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Last one is 309. So after this, we're now going to add everything together. Let's add. You bring down 5. You bring down 6. You bring down 4, 2, 9. This is 0. This is 1. This is 6. This is 8. This is 6. This is 3. This is 3. This is 0. This is 9. Let's call the number again. 56 trillion 429 billion 16 million 863,309. Okay, on the board we have another question, which is 325 billion 18 million 767,211. Now, look at the first part, 325 billion. I'll write 325. With how many zeros? 9 zeros, because we have agreed that billion goes with 9 zeros. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros. Then 18 million, which is 18 should be 018 because nothing is under the 100. 18 million, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have the next one, which is is 767,000. 767,000 with 3 zeros. And the last part is 211. So let us add the numbers together. You bring down 3, you bring down 2, you bring down 5. Then this is 0, 1, 8. This is 7, 6, 7. This is 2, 1, 1. So the answer is 325 billion 18 million 767,211. Now let's look at the third example. 938 trillion 29 million 506. If you watch, we don't have anything under billion. We don't have anything under thousand. So watch and see how we're going to translate this. Of course, you can pause the video and try to solve this by yourself. Then after that, you compare the answer with what we're going to get now. 938. 938 trillion, which means I'm going to put 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see I group each of them in threes, just like we did at the beginning. Then 29 million. Remember, this is trillion, billion, million. So I'm going to jump the billion section and come to million. I don't have 100 million. What I have is tens and units. So which is 29. I'll put it here. 0 to 9, which is 29 million. With how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Remember we said it. 1, 2, 3, which is 6 zeros. Then 506. They didn't say 506,000. So 506 means I don't have anything under 1,000, which is here. 506. So what will I do? I'll add them together like we did before. Bring down what? Bring down what? 6. This is what? 0. This is what? 5. This is what? 0. This is what? 0. This is what? 0. This is what? 9. This is what? 2. Here is what? 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 8. This is 3. This is 9. So this is the answer, which is 938 trillion 29 million 506. Thank you so much for your attention.